The next tool is not something I suggest that you be part of, but is definitely something you need to be aware of. Pump and dump is a term that was invented in the stock markets, and what it is basically is a manipulative attempt to boost prices of usually low volume assets based on false and misleading information. There is always one side of people who have interest to push people to buy a certain asset, and then after the price was pumped, they dump all of their shares, making big profits and letting the price drop down even lower than it was before, while the others lose their money. Lately, there are many communities and groups which use the same method in the cryptocurrency market. Most of them operate in Telegram and invest a lot of resources in order to promote themselves. They need as many people as possible, so they will tell you everything you want to hear in order to join them. But before you join any of these groups, let me tell you how it really works and why you should be extremely careful not to fall to the same trap as many others do. Once the admins of the group have gathered enough participants, they set a time when they're supposed to announce which coin is going to be pumped. They create hype and ask everyone to get ready to buy quickly right after the announcement and sell a little bit after in profits around a certain target they will set ahead. They tell everyone that they are looking for the best opportunity for a coin with great potential for a breakout and good technical analysis indications. But in reality, what they look for is a coin that no one have interest in and have low trading volume. The reason for that is that these are the coins that are most easy to manipulate. Because they have low volume of trading, each action can move the price up or down, especially if it comes from 50,000 people that buy a certain amount of that coin at the same time. Then comes the announcement. They publish the name of the coin and tell people to buy right now, and also encourage them to share it with outsiders, meaning people on other social medias, so they can jump in as well. What happens is that people are eager to buy in the current available price that goes up. They don't want to miss the chance to get in, so they buy at higher and higher prices until it reaches a peak. From this peak, it's going to crash. And all of this happens in a matter of few seconds. And here are the facts behind what's really going on there. It's super risky and your chances to win something in this type of groups is extremely low. The only ones who really make profits do it big time and every time, and these are the people who created the group. They know ahead which coin they are going to pump, so they start buying few days before it happens. Now they don't buy it all at once, but do it in a way that anyone who follows the chart of the currency will not be able to notice an unusual activity of massive buying. Then, when they publish the name of the coin, they already have their selling orders ready. So as soon as the price reaches the target that they set ahead, they sell everything, dragging the price down. The thing is that it all happens so fast that any regular trader cannot be fast enough to execute trades in a profitable way. So this is how most pump and dump groups work and why you should be very careful and preferably stay away from them. There are only two cases when you can make profits from it. The first one is if you are part of the insiders or the ones who created the group and have advantage over others. The second case is if you already hold that coin because you bought it earlier regardless of the group. Then when a big pump occurs, you have an opportunity to sell it quickly with great profits. So if you are not under one of those two categories, you should really avoid basing your trading decisions on such groups.